pay off your whole balance whenever possible. But there are three situations where you can try and work on considering having an revolving balance. So revolving balance means you're not paying your credit card every month. Here are three reasons for benefits of paying off your credit card first, before we talk about when there are instances where you shouldn't pay your credit card off. So you want to avoid any interest payments. So if your dress costs $10 and you put it on your credit card, if you're not paying your balance off every month, then your dress might cost $11 and $12, depending on how much you let that dress cost. The expense of that dress rotates and revolve. So you want to make sure interest is the expense for borrowing money. So if you are not paying your credit card off in full every month, you need to add interest as an expense account on your budget or on your tracking and tracing, because if you don't pay it off, there's something called an APR, annual percentage rate, and you get charged that when you don't pay it off. So it can be very expensive from month to month if you keep revolving, because these APRs can be very high. So you want to make sure that you understand that the dress that you paid $10 for that you might not wear for a year will cost you $30 if you wait a year to pay it off. So it can be very, very expensive to keep that going. So the average card ranges from 16% to 29% APR, which is usury in my opinion. But it depends on how much this amount depends on how much debt you have, how much interest the debt you have, how much what your credit score is. So your APR will depend on that.